there, it's Alexandra with WTI. And if you are a person who loves to cook, then you will definitely love this air fryer. But the funny thing is that even if you do not particularly enjoy cooking, you will also like this air fryer because it just speeds up the time in the kitchen. It just makes whatever you have to do in the kitchen really much more simple than without this air fryer. So basically, if there's something that you want to heat up or something that you want to fry, then you just have to place it on the air fryer. And the really amazing aspect about this air fryer is that I personally do not use any vegetable oils. I prefer not to. And it is so great that you are able to cook certain foods that you would like to have the texture of a fried food, that you can do that with the air fryer without using those vegetable oils. And I also really like how this air fryer looks in the kitchen. It is not huge, so it's not going to occupy a bunch of space. And at the same time, I feel like it looks pretty good in the kitchen. I feel like its design can go pretty much with any kitchen. So that's something that I really like as well. And that is my point of view.